Yeah, it's your chicken meat sticks. They look yucky, but they taste good, huh? Yeah, it's good. Chicken. Uh-oh, slippery suckers. Where'd it go? Here it is. I already got it. Is there more? Yeah, chicken. Mmm. It tastes so good. Num 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 num. Are your chicken meat sticks num 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 num?
Yummy.
Yummy? Did you say yummy? Yummy. Are you saying bye-bye to the TV show? Bye to you, we'll see you soon. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye to you and you, we'll see you real soon. Goodbye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Mmm. Chicken meat sticks. Chicken meat sticks. What'd you do with it? It's still in your hand? Okay. No hiding it. No hiding your chicken. Num 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 num. Yummy. Say yummy again. That was funny. Can you say yummy? Num 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 num. Daddy's gonna be so happy you're eating your meat. No vegetarian here, huh? Chicken meat sticks. What a concept. Chicken sticks.
Let's count t-shirts. 1 t-shirt. 2 t-shirts. Let's count again. 1, 2. 2 t-shirts.
They're all the same, boo-boo. It's not gonna get any better.
Let's count pairs of shorts. 1 pair of shorts. 2 pairs of shorts. Let's count
Chicken meat sticks.
1,
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
2 pairs of shorts.
Are you counting with the TV? Can you say yummy, yummy, yummy?
See you soon.
Num, 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 num. Yummy? Yummy? Yes? I think you're beginning to like that chicken meat stick. Can Mommy have a bite? Can Mommy have a bite? Please. Are you going to give Mommy a bite? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Is that what you just said? Mommy says baby too much after thank you. You think you're supposed to say thank you, baby. Uh-oh. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.